Hello babies, we are Karla, Lugo and Eduardo Servin, and we're talking about self-balancing systems. For example, the hoverboard. First, we're going to show you a simple model of the system. We have first the input, then they go through a controller, through a system, and then we cover a feedback from the sensors in order to give an output, and this continues and continues in order for the object to move and the components to work. The main components are a steel frame, a logic board, two gyroscopes, two electric motors, two tilt speed sensors, a charging port, a power switch, batteries, LED lights, and a pressure pipe.
Well, these systems need a lot of accurate measurements in order for people not to fall from it. There are a lot of sensors in here. The gyroscope, the electric motors, the tilt speed sensors, the LED lights, the pressure pads. Most of them work as inputs. First, the gyroscopes, tilt speed sensors and pressure pads work together in order to know the angle of tilting and the speed at where you're going. First, the pressure pads detect the force you're applying on the hoverboard or how much you're leaning. Then the tilt and speed sensors detect this force and kind of put a LED light that, when it's detected, changes the speed. The gyroscopes detect the angle of inclination from the person that is above, and then send all this information to the logic board to control the speed. Other types of inputs could be the charging port and the power switch, but they don't officially work as sensors, so they are not part of the feedback that goes to the system. The output will be the electric motors that will choose the speed at which the hoverboard moves. Something important about these self-balancing systems is that, for example, Segways use around 10 microcontrollers in order to work. That is more or less 3 times as a PCU. This is because they need a lot of exact measurements in order to make a in order to pass the safety measurements.
At last, some social and ethical implications are the less movement of the people in the world using this system. For example, if they choose, instead of walking, using self-balancing systems like the hoverboard, they will make less exercise and this will have a negative impact on them. But if they choose to use self-balancing systems instead of cars and motorcycles, this will have a positive impact in the ecological matters because the impact will be less. Thank you very much.